Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying with your family. As you know, you all are promoted to class 4. Now, welcome to class 4. This is Miss Nasreen Fatma from SM Public Academy Campus 5 and I am going to teach you maths in class 4. Now let's start our first lecture, that is chapter number 1, number and arithmetic operations, and our topic is international place value system. In international place value system, the periods from rightmost are ones or units period, thousands period, millions period. Each period has 3 place values: ones, tens, hundreds in units period or ones period, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 in thousands period, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions in millions period. Now let's read or write the number in words. The larger number is writing in words is not a difficult task. If you want to write the number in words, first you have to write the number with place value like this. In this we have written the number in place value chart. 5 on ones place, 6 on tens place, 7 on hundreds place, 5 on thousands place, 0 in 10,000s place, 4 100,000s place, 2 millions, 8 10 millions and 3 100 millions. You can see that we will read the millions together, means 382 millions. Then we will read the thousands together, 405 thousands. So then we will write the number in words. The number in words is 382,405,765. Now let's see another example. We have 3 examples over there. The first example is of 8-digit number. Let's read the place value first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million. Means the number is 23,470,185. So the number in words is 23,470,185. Now let's see another example. This example is of 6-digit number. Now let's read with place value. 6 ones, 9 tens, 5 hundreds, 7 thousands, 9 10,000, 4 100,000. So 497 is on thousands period. So we will read the thousands together. The number is 497,596. So the number is 497,596. Now the next example is of 9-digit number. Means in this number we have all 3 periods: ones periods, tens periods, millions periods. So the number is 109,245,007. Okay. Now let's see now how to write the number in figures. if we have the number in words, we can write the number in figures also. So how will we write the number in figures? We have to write the place value first. So we have written the place value chart over there, and we have written the number after placing the place value chart. The number is 705 millions. So we have written 705 in millions period. This is the millions period. Then the number is 2 only. It means the rest of the place values should be zeros. There is no number is 100, 10,000, 10,000, 100 or tens. So we will write over there 0. Now let's see some more examples of writing figures. 94,111,041. So read the place value first. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. So the number is 94 millions. 94 millions. Then 111,000. 111,000 and 41. Now let's see another example. 7,260,000. The 7 is in million. So the million, how many millions are there? 7 millions are there. 7,260,000. 260,000. There is no 100, tens or ones place, so we will place the 0 over there. Now we have to find the value of circle digits. We have 3 examples over there. In first example we have 5 in circle. In another example 2 is in circle, and in third example 2 is also in circle. Now let's move to find out the place value of circle digit. First we will write the number in place value chart. So we have written the number in place value chart and read the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Means 5, which is circled, is in 10 millions. Where it is? It is in 10 millions. 5 is on which place? Tens place. Means 5 10 millions. 5 10 millions means 50 millions. 5 10 millions means 50 millions. Means 5 is followed by 7 zeros. And we can write it, this place value, in words also. The place value of the circle digit is 5 million. Now let's see another example in which 2 is circled. So let's see the place value of circle. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 2 is on 10,000 place. Where is 2? 2 is in 10,000 place. 2 tens means 20,000. So the place value of 2 is 20,000, and we can write it in words also. That is, the place value of 2 is 20,000. Now the third example in which 2 is also circled. So let's read the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 2 is in million place. 2 is in millions place. So the place value of 2 is 2 millions. Means 2 is followed by 6 zeros, or we can write the number value in words also. That is 2 million. So the place value of circle digit is 2 million. Now students, we have learned today the number in words, number in figures, value of circle digit. I hope you have got these three concepts very well. Okay, now let's move towards your homework task. You have to do the homework, that is exercise 1A, page 6 and 7, question number 4 BC, question number 5 BC, question number 6 BD, and question number 7 AC. You have to do these sums in Maths copy 1. Okay. Now let's see the index. You have to write the midterm on first line in the index. Midterm, then you will write the chapter number with its name, that is numbers and arithmetic operations, exercise 1A. Then you will write the question number with its bit number, which you have to do in your copy. Then come to the work you have to do in your copy, and you have to maintain your work page like this. How? You have to write the date on the left hand side of the page in the margin line, and write the day on the right hand side, and write the exercise number on red line in the center. Then you will write the proper question, then write the bit number. After writing the bit number, you will write the answer over there. But before writing the answer, you should put the place value on the number. If you will write the place value on the number, it is very easy to you to write the number in words. Okay? And you have to do whole work like this. You have to write the date and day on every page of your copy. Must mention the question number and the bit number. Okay? If you will do the work like this, you will got the star. Okay? Now, in the next lecture, we will discuss successor, predecessor, expanded form, comparing and ordering the number. Inshallah, we will do in our next lecture. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.